keep going in that direction. Okay, so Mazim Ibrahim 88. Mazim, did you tell us where you were from? I don't think I saw that. But if you're joining us late in the chat, I see a lot of late joiners, which is great. I love seeing people join in. Please let us know the city, state that you're from, city, state, country that you're from. Love hearing about it. Okay, so Mazim writes, I was focusing on software engineering, but seeing how saturated it is, I wanted to do more to get more options, so I am new to DS. What's a good first project in order to score an internship? Oh, Mazen. So lots to unpack in your statement. For those of you that know my content, you know how much I feel that you should be following your passions. So Mazen, I got to tell you, buddy, I don't see that in your statements. Because again, the goal isn't to score a good internship. The goal is to get experience in something that you're interested in, something that you want to do. And you mentioned this shift from software engineering to data science. Well, so I'm getting the impression that you're shifting based on the job market.